Hi, today you are going to learn how to retouch your photos using camera or filter. Click on the layer and click duplicate layer, click OK. Hide the bottom layer and keep it for backup. Now right click on the layer and select convert to smart object. After that click on filter and select camera or filter. Now click on HSL adjustment. Select saturation tab. Make the green 75%. Aqueous also 75%. And blues 50%. Now click on the luminance tab. Make the greens 100%. Aqua 75%. And blues also 75%, or maybe 25% is better. Click OK to apply the filter. This is the advantage of using Smart Object. We can now edit the filter anytime we want. Now go to filter and select lens correction. Click on custom and make vignette amount -100%. This will make a perfect vignette. Click OK. Now click on the adjustment layer and select vibrance. Increase the vibrance amount to 50%. Now add brightness and contrast adjustment. Make the brightness to 5% and contrast to 10%. This is the final result. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial.